everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obapa is my name. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today's recipe, I'm going to teach you how you can make your own lip scribe using sugar. Sometimes we have dark lip and we need to exfoliate our lip to look clean and smooth, in the same time pink. And this recipe is so easy to make because it's so easy to find the ingredients in the house to make it. So let's start formulating our recipe. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, and also all of you share my videos and like my video and leave me a comment below. Thank you.
We are going to use sesame seed oil, 0.5 grams. I'm making a small batch, not a very big batch, a very little batch. That's 60-gram batch. And we will be using sunflower oil, 0.26 grams. These two oils are very good for the skin, and it's really moisturized very well. We are also going to use vegetable glycerin, 15.5 grams. This lip scribe is editable. If you want to eat it, you can eat it. All the ingredients we use are natural and it's good for you to eat it. So when some get into your mouth, don't worry, you can eat it, nothing will happen. We will also use vitamin E oil, 0.4 grams. It's also very good for the skin. We will use raw honey, 1.75 grams, which is also good for the skin. It's really moisturized very well, and you can eat this scribe, nothing will happen to you. It's editable, and I really like the way it's moisturized the lip and exfoliate the lip. So as you keep using it twice a week, you are going to notice your lip is going to look smooth and pink. I'm using brown sugar, 32 grams. I'm really making a little batch. I don't really need a big batch. You can use white sugar if you want, but I love to use natural ingredients a lot. So, and the oils, you can switch it to your favorite oils like olive oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. It all depends on you. So the brown sugar, we are going to use 32 grams. We are going to use a flavor, chocolate flavor oil, normally used for making lip balms or lip scribe, and you can eat it. It's editable, so you can eat it. It's really going to give it a chocolate scent. So this scribe smells like chocolate, and it tastes so good. It really tastes so good. So what we are doing is we add all the ingredient, the liquid ingredient, into a bowl, a sanitized bowl. Then we are going to stir it so we can add our brown sugar. So you make sure that you take everything from your container, because we are really making a small batch. I could measure all of them into one container and do it, but normally when you do that, sometimes some of the ingredient you may measure it more than the other one, and you have to take some out, and it's not possible to take a liquid out from liquid. That's why I have to measure them separate. But this is so easy. Can make it in the house. And the flavor oil, they have strawberry flavor oil, different. I bought the flavor oil from Make Your Own Bars online shop. You can get some from Amazon too. So it smells so good. I love the chocolate flavor, and because I'm using brown sugar, the color look like chocolate. So if you have any request and you want me to make a video, you can leave me a comment below, and I will leave the recipe down the description box. The description box is under the video. Most time people ask me, you didn't leave the recipe. I do, always do. Just look under the video and click there. You will see all the details of the scribe that I'm making. and my social media handles, and you will see all in the benefit of the Let's Scribe. So just click there, you are going to find it. I'm planning to teach you how to do pH, and if I have lesser time I will do that video because people has requested for me doing pH, how to check pH and do pH solution. Hopefully soon I'll be posting video about it. So you stir your liquid ingredient very well, make sure everything mix very well. So you keep stirring, and this one we don't need preservative because sugar itself is a preservative, and the vitamin E2 can prevent the oil from oxidization. So I'm going to add my chocolate flavor oil to it because I didn't measure it on the other part, so I'm going to add it to it. Now I'm using 0.10 grams of that. All you need to do is, after you add it, we are going to stir it for it to mix very well. It smells very good, it smells like chocolate. To mix so that all of them will combine very well. This ingredient, if you don't have the flavor oil, you can leave it out and still it's going to work. Just the flavor oil is just giving it the scent of chocolate, so it's not compulsory. You can leave it out and it's still going to work for you. So you stir very well, you add your brown sugar and stir very well, and you can also use white sugar to make this, so this is not difficult thing to do. You see how it look like chocolate, and it smell like chocolate, and you can eat it. It tastes so good. Next we are going to put it into our clean sanitized container, and what you will do is you will use this once in a day for twice a week to exfoliate your lip. After you exfoliate your lip, you have to moisturize your lips so that your lips will be moisturized. So as you do it twice in a week, if you have a dark lip, it's going to lighten up and make your lip very smooth, very smooth. For the first exfoliation, you will notice that your lips look so smooth. I love this particular lip scribe. If you want me to do a different lip scribe or a lip balm, please let me know, comments below, because this normally go with a lip balm. After you exfoliate, you need to apply a lip balm to make your lip moisturized. Now we have our chocolate lip scribe, easy to make, and you can change the ingredient to suit you. Wow, this is so beautiful, it smells so good. All you need to do is cover it and you store it in a cool place, no heat, so that the sugar will not melt. So when you need it, you just use it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and please leave me a comment. Bye bye.